At a time when India was reporting the deadliest day of the pandemic, with 1500 Indians dying of COVID 19 infection, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was campaigning for the West Bengal Assembly elections in Asansol. At a time when India reported its highest ever number of infections, with 260,500 Indians falling into the clutches of the deadly virus, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was gloating about the huge crowd attending his election rally. This is the fourth straight day when over 2 lakh cases of COVID-19 have been recorded in India. Over 12 lakh cases have been added to the caseload in the last 1 week. In context of daily cases, India is the worst hit country across the world. In context of total caseload, India is the second worst hit country across the world. Amid the fresh surge, shortage of medical oxygen and vaccines are some of the concerns red flagged by the states. People are struggling to get beds and ventilators in hospital for their treatment. Long queues have been observed in several states for key drugs such as remdesivir. The situation is so grim in some places that people have to wait outside crematoriums to perform the last rites of their loved ones. When large congregations and mass gatherings are banned in most of the states, West Bengal is an exception as the assembly elections are being conducted there. It should be noted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has on number of occasions told citizens to follow the COVID-19 norms, including wearing masks and practicing social distancing. However, Prime Minister Modi on Saturday was addressing an election rally in West Bengal's Asansol, where he told how he had not seen such huge crowd in his earlier election rallies in the constituency. Here is what PM Modi said.
लेकिन भाइयों बहनों, मैं आज आपको एक शिकायत करना चाहता हूं। करूं? आपके खिलाफ है शिकायत, करूं? बुरा तो नहीं मानोगे ना? लेकिन मेरी शिकायत जरा देखिए। देखिए, मैं यहां 2 बार आया हूं लोकसभा के चुनाव में। जब मैं प्रधानमंत्री बनना था और मैं आपसे वोट मांगने आया था, बाबुल जी के लिए वोट मांगने आया था, लेकिन पहले जब आया तब तो मेरे लिए वोट मांगता था। फिर भी 1/4 लोग भी नहीं थे सभा में। आज चारों तरफ मैंने ऐसी सभा पहली बार देखी है जी, पहली बार देखी है। अब बताइए, मेरी शिकायत मीठी है कि कड़वी है? आज आपने ऐसा दम दिखा दिया है, ऐसी ताकत दिखा दी है। मैं जहां देख सकता हूं मुझे लोग ही लोग दिखते हैं, बाकी कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है। क्या क्या कमाल कर दिया आप लोगों ने। लेकिन आगे का काम बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और वो है वोट देने के लिए जाना, वोट देने के लिए औरों को ले जाना। करोगे? पक्का करोगे? सब लोग करोगे?
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call Startup Stories. It is our curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.